Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for all support from my subscribers who always watch my channel. And for those who are new to my channel, please give a like or comment and don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it won't hurt you. Today I'm gonna paint cherry blossoms at Kungsträdgården in Stockholm. The cherry blossoms, also known as Japanese cherry or sakura. Cherry trees bloom every spring in Stockholm, usually in the middle of April. And every year they draw scores of people wanting to see the beautiful pink flowers firsthand and maybe take a picture or video. Kungsträdgården's avenue of cherry trees are arguably the most popular, and the park's central location makes it easily accessible. I met some of my friends, Ira and Jojo. This is me, Ira Jojo. I made a sketch the next day because yesterday I spent all day in Stockholm city with my friends. We spent together by walking around the city of Stockholm, drinking coffee and having dinner at a Vietnam restaurant. The weather was quite warm but not hot. When it got dark, the weather turns very cold. So if you want to go to Stockholm in April, I suggest to prepare extra warm clothes in your bag because the weather can change drastically. Kungsträdgården is Stockholm's most central park and has its historical roots in the 15th century. The park is one of the city's most important meeting places. and its central location makes it green center in the city. Kungsträdgården means King's Garden, or aka Kungsan. The park's central location and its outdoor cafes makes it one of the most popular hangouts and meeting places in Stockholm. It also hosts open-air concerts and events in summer, while offering an ice rink during winters. There is also a number of cafes, art galleries, and restaurants. As you can see now, a lot of people are coming here even though it's a Monday. You can imagine how crowded it is on the weekends. I was lucky to come here when the flowers are starting to bloom, because the cherry blossoms only bloom for a few days or about 2 weeks. I gave the color very light and I didn't draw the buildings in a great detail because I wanted to capture and draw the whole moment. If you want to draw buildings neatly and nicely, you have to learn perspective first. forget to hit that bell so you won't miss out on the next video. Thank you so much for watching and all your support. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you in the next video. Bye.
Dia cute banget. Oh tapi dia udah dapat.